Hello, dear friends. This is Grandma Jeannie. Welcome back to my workshop. I'm so glad to have you here. I recently went on a road trip about 50 miles away and got 3 different things that I want to share with you. Let's look at the first one first. Here's the first thing I want to share with you. It's a whole box of dollhouse furniture. I've sorted this out a little bit. Here on the top, we've got some Plasco, a refrigerator, and a stove. This, I think, is maybe a Renwall sink. It's missing a door. Got a little chip, but it's still cute. Some bathroom things, a commode, sink, laundry basket, and a nice tub that is in perfect condition. We've got a cute little bunk bed here, a little set of bunk beds. It's missing some legs, but it's still cute, I think repairable. And this includes the little ladder that goes up the side. So you know it's vintage. These little chairs are not marked, but they're really cute little living room side chairs. They're a good size. They would fit with the smaller 124s or could go with a little bit larger 116. And then we've got a series of Renwall furniture, including a nice couch and a rocking chair, and all of this lovely brown furniture over here, including a nice fireplace and a pretty piano, an old-fashioned radio, and look at this little dresser with the little drawers that open and shut. Very nice. There's also kind of an unusual bed here. I say unusual just because I've never seen one before. It's not marked, but I would suspect it's Renwall. That's what it looks like. Looks like it would have a mattress that would fit in it, perhaps. This next grouping right here, this is unusual for me because they are wooden furniture, and I don't normally collect wooden furniture, but these are very nice. They are not marked, and I can't tell you who made them, but maybe I can do some research or one of my expert friends can tell me. There's a little bedside table. It's got little drawers engraved on it. Just a nice little set. Look at this fireplace, and it's got the little detail of the little bricks on it. Really, really, I like that a lot. I want to show you a couple of other unique little pieces. Look at this radio, old-fashioned vintage radio with a little dial on it. A lot of times that dial's missing. And this is some bathroom scales. And again, the dial's on there, and that's nice. Those, I think, are both Renwall pieces. Then there's a little dish strainer, which is very cute, unique. I don't know who made that. Then, last but not least, I've got these little tiny pieces of furniture. They are so little I can hardly show them to you, but I want to try. And there's a little kitchen sink, a little red side chair, and then there's 3 little beds. These are so small. Look, they're just not much bigger than my thumbnail. But I'm going to show you which house these go to another night. That's it for tonight. I hope you'll come back. Thank you again for joining me. Always remember, Grandma Jeannie loves you.